Let's have a look at two key technologies featured in Panasonic refrigerators. First, Econavi. It's almost like Econavi refrigerators have a mind of their own. The secret is the intelligent sensors. The lighting sensor detects the level of light in the room. The door sensor detects how often the refrigerator door is open and closed. The room temperature sensor works with the internal temperature sensor to detect the difference between the room temperature and the temperature inside the refrigerator, adjusting the power level accordingly. Each of these sensors gathers and stores 3 weeks of information about user lifestyle patterns, and that data is used for precise control of the refrigerator's inverter, so energy consumption is reduced without your even knowing it. Second is the vitamin-preserving chilling compartment. Flashing blue and green LED lights in the chilling compartment simulate a natural growing environment. This helps preserve the vitamin content of fruits and vegetables. Panasonic Econavi refrigerators continue to evolve.
Panasonic.